Okay, I just wanted to show the ultrasonic cleaner I use. Ultrasonic cleaner, basically what it does is it puts ultrasonic waves through the bottom of the tank up into whatever you're cleaning, and helps break loose a lot of the stuff that's in there. You could use these for cleaning jewelry. You can use them for cleaning anything, but what I use mine for is cleaning carburetors, and particularly those on small engines, because that's what fits in the size I have. The one I've got here, Ultrasonic, I don't know, it works. Not any particular brand there. This one's TS5L, 320 watts, 40 kilohertz frequency, 120 volts where I'm at. Basically the way it works is you fill it up with whatever liquid you want, and it'll heat it up and vibrate it. It comes with this little basket so you can pull your stuff out pretty easy. There's a maximum fill line there, you don't want to go over that. And I use mine with, I don't know, this one's made out of stainless steel, so you can pretty much put anything you want in there. I personally like this stuff here, Chem Dip carburetor and parts cleaner. You get it by this gallon can. It comes with like 3/4 of a gallon in there already, and a little room for there's a dipping basket that comes in there, but I just dump it in here, and then when you're done you can just drain it right back out into your can, so you know what you have and you don't spill it. But basically you just plug this thing in. Mine's in Celsius, and you could turn the heat on. Right now it's at 18 degrees, and then you can set it for, I think, up to 65 if I remember right. Yeah, 65. Turn that back off. And then the cleaners, that's just a timer. You can hear that going. Just makes kind of a screeching sound. And you can set how much time you want. But I found with the heat and the vibration also just helps churn around the whatever cleaning fluid you got in there. It helps keep fresh stuff in there. And I've had really good luck cleaning out old clogged up carburetors. These small engines have really small jets in them these days due to fuel restrictions and everything else. Really small fluid passages, and if they get clogged at all, they just won't run. I found it to be very useful. The other thing I got was a little, I don't know, it's like 2 half cups. You get it on eBay or wherever, Amazon. And it's for holding small parts, really small parts, like your jets and things that might get lost inside the big strainer basket. It's just a little mini strainer that just, it clamps on itself. That's become pretty useful. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys what I use. You could use whatever you want. You could, use carburetor cleaner. I've heard people not even putting Chem Dip in there. They just put, simple green or purple power or any other kind of cleaner that can go in there. Really, vinegar. I don't know, whatever you want to use. But I found it to be pretty useful. And durability, I don't know. I've had mine for 2 years. It still works. So. I imagine they're not going to last forever, but this one is stainless steel, like I say, all around. So far it hasn't gotten behind the panel at all. The sticker's a little boogered up, but if you spill it over, when it gets really hot, it actually will steam and condense up on the lid, so you can't help but dribble some, I guess. But just wanted to show you what I got. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and why don't you subscribe down there. If you want to, you can ring the bell and get notifications every time a new video comes out. Also, I'm on Patreon, and I have some links down to Amazon, not for this unit, but for other things. And if you get on Amazon using those links, you can just search for whatever you want, including an ultrasonic. I'm sure they have them, and they'll ship it right to your door. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.